Oh no, I don't want to ruin my box.
God.
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Fall's Fat Fit Fun. We got this. When did we get it?
Like a week ago?
Was it? No, like a few days ago. Now I'm excited. It feels light.
Does it?
Yeah.
It does actually feel like.
Okay. This is, ooh, Meghan Trainor. And if you guys have seen our old videos, our daughter loves Meghan Trainor, or was in love with her when she was younger. We took her to, well, I took her to a concert a few years ago.
First thing off the bat, I can tell you that this box smells real good inside. Not her, the box.
The box.
Inside this box smells really good.
Can I get the first item?
Sure, go ahead.
Okay, the first item is a Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. Oof. Look at my hair. I need it. My hair is semi-curly or just wavy, and it's just, it needs a lot of care.
Let me see.
Oh, that doesn't smell good.
I don't know what it smells like.
It doesn't smell that good, but...
Next we have this Wander Beauty. I wonder why you're such a beauty.
I wonder why you're not.
I want to open it. God.
Just kidding.
What, these are wipes? Like for the restroom?
Well, let me see. It's
says,
baggage claim gold eye mask. Ew.
Oh, there it is. That's how they go in your eyes.
Eye mask. There is a packet of six pairs.
Next we have After Spa. Oh my God, it's just a towel.
Let me see. Oh, it's light.
Oh, have you guys ever seen a heavy towel?
Yes.
I mean,
There
felt a heavy towel?
There is heavy towels.
There is?
So this is for the hair, heat and frizz-free dry. Okay, next. Human and Kind skincare with a conscience. This is vegan and cruelty-free body souffle.
I got this. I got this.
Okay, just use the knife. Well, that's it.
There it is.
There it is, but it took you a while. Let me smell. Okay.
It kind of smells pretty good.
Oh, that does smell good.
Next, we have this Cosmetics. Oh, I think we already had this before.
Vitamin C mixing crystals. Ooh. Ooh, I don't know what this is.
You want to open it? No, we can't open it. There it is.
But what is it?
Next, we have a bag.
Oh, it has a question mark.
The question mark says mystery choice.
Oh.
So what? Does that mean that you get this like free?
No, that means that I had the choice to choose it, but I didn't. This is Crone Alchemist.
I can read this. Alchemist. Australian certified toxic free through a profound understanding human biology, cellular renewal, and nutrient utilization. Our formulations.
So
I got lost.
So maybe it's for wrinkles for you. Maybe. Ooh. Grown Alchemist. Detox night cream. That's it. Detox night cream. I don't know how to say the other stuff.
Peptide, echinacea.
Okay, so next up it's Juice Cleanse, Harper and Ari, exfoliating sugar cubes.
Smells good.
It does smell good. It is.
So you can eat those, you said?
Okay. So to me, Juice Cleanse means like something that you intake, like a juice, you know, for your body. But this is actually for the don't eat it. This is actually for the shower to exfoliate. So like
with sugar?
Yeah.
Well, it's sugar for sure. Well,
but it's a little confusing because they should have a big sign on it saying for external use only.
That's true. I think they should.
Because it does have it. It does have it, but in very, very small letters.
Yeah,
like
if you're
really,
blind, you're not gonna be able to read
like
that.
Really small letters, like somewhere right here. So I don't know.
This is kind of dangerous. We gotta hide this from the kids.
Yes, because Lorenzo, our little one, would definitely try to eat this.
It looks like candy too.
It looks like candy. It looks like gummy sugar candies. Okay. So last but not least is Kate Spade. Remember, this is all fall products. This is a fall box. So this bag is another makeup bag.
Another makeup bag. You should give that away again.
Yeah, I'm gonna give this away because
cool. We're gonna give that away too.
I have a lot of makeup bags. So let's put it back in the wrapper. It's cute. It's polka dots. It's like a canvas color. Oh, it's like a lunch bag. It says out to lunch. That's cute. So it's a lunch bag. Wait. And it's Kate Spade. That's really pretty. But I have a lot of them already. You don't like it?
Oh yeah, sure.
Okay, this is all for fall's fit fab fun. Oh my gosh, that's a tongue twister. That's all of it. I'm not that impressed with it.
You're not?
I'm not.
I'm not. For the $50 that you pay? Psh.
Yeah, I'm not impressed at all, actually. I don't know. It wasn't really worth it. To me.
Hire this because your kids are going to eat it.
So our grand total for this fall Fab Fit Fun is...
Wait. Fab Fun Fit?
No,
it's Fan Fun Fit.
No, it's Fab Fit Fun.
See?
Oh, what was I saying? Fit Fab Fun?
You were saying Nuff Teeth Bath. Backwards.
Fab Fit Fun.
Fab Fit Fun.
The total for our box for fall is... $191.
That's a lot because all this stuff looks... I think everything... Actually, we checked the price on this and this is $54.
Yeah,
does anybody know what this is? Because it's expensive.
Well, I read, if you would have read. You put this in your moisturizer. It's like the little crystals and you put it in your moisturizer and it's supposed to help your skin because it's a vitamin C.
Isn't moisturizer like the same thing as shampoo? No, it's conditioner. My bad.
Moisturizer is for your skin, lotion for your skin, or for your body. I know it is. Okay, so that's it. That's it for Fab Fit Fun. If you guys liked it.
And if you didn't like it, go ahead and like it.
Yeah. Give it a thumbs up anyways.
Give it a thumbs up.
To me, I don't think it was worth it. I think this box was kind of a fail for me. I would have liked something bigger, something more like, wow, I don't know, like a poncho or something.
I think we should start getting rid of Fat Fit. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comment section below. I think Fat Fit.
What if winter's good?
This is winter.
No, this is fall.
Oh.
This is fall.
Fine, everybody. See you. Have a good day.
No.
Bye-bye.
You forgot to tell them.
Oh.
Subscribe.
Everybody, subscribe. Thank you.
Bye.